Well, they blew up the Chicken Man in Philly last night, and they blew up his house too. Down on the boardwalk they're getting ready for a fight. Gonna see what them racket boys can do. Now there's trouble busting in from out of state, and the DA can't get no relief. Gonna be a rumble out on the promenade, and the gambling commission's hanging on by the skin of its teeth. Now baby, everything dies, baby, that's a fact. Maybe everything that dies someday comes back. Put your makeup on, fix your hair up pretty, meet me tonight in Atlantic City. Well, I got a job and tried to put my money away, but I got debts that no honest man could pay. So I drew what I had from the Central Trust, and I bought us 2 tickets on that Coast City bus. Now baby, everything dies, baby, that's a fact. Maybe everything that dies someday comes back. Put your makeup on, fix your hair up pretty, meet me tonight in Atlantic City. Now our luck may have died and love may be cold, but no use turning around and stay. We're caught out west and turning to gold, but put on your stockings, baby, 'cause the night's getting cold, and everything dies, baby, that's a fact. Maybe everything that dies someday comes back. Put your makeup on, fix your hair up pretty, and meet me tonight in Atlantic City. Now I've been looking for a job, but it's hard to find. Down here it's just winners and losers that don't get caught up on the wrong side of that line. Well, I'm tired of coming out on this losing end. Something to me last night, I met this guy, and I'm gonna do a little favor for him. And I guess everything dies, baby, that's a fact. Maybe everything that dies someday comes back. Put your makeup on, fix your hair up pretty, and meet me tonight in Atlantic City.